Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with something new apart from PES. I'm going to unbox the most powerful smartphone in the world, the best smartphone of 2019. As you can see, the package itself looks very cool. The package comes in a different shape. It looks very cool. As you can see, Republic of Gamers. This is the global version which I have now. The Asus ROG Phone 2 have two versions. One is the global version and the second one is the Chinese version. So get ready. When we open the pack, first thing we see here is the super cool cooling fan. Let's open it. Behind there is a cushion pad so that when you connect to the mobile there is no scratch or anything, and in the bottom part you can see the port where you connect the cooling fan to the mobile, and you can see that it is looking very nice, and there is the LED light which lights up when you are on the X mode, when you are playing games and it is connected, and you can lift it up this panel up and down, and there is also the light. So when you want to connect to the mobile, just lift it up and connect it, then close it out so that it fits in very well. Let's take it out and see what is inside this one. Okay, here we go. Keep it aside. Open it up. Okay, this is the back panel. So you get the fan as well as the back panel with the global version. I don't know about the Chinese version. This is the global version. So, and it has a huge 30-watt charging adapter as well as the C-type cable along with it. It has some more things. Let's see what is inside. Nothing more. Keep it aside. I think this is the foot stand. Yes, the foot stand to keep your AeroActive cooler. Okay, so this is in Chinese, then the other one is in English. It comes with a huge 30-watt adapter, charging adapter with a C-type cable, and it has both sides C-type cable, C-type port, so that it can do the fast charging, and the 30-watt adapter. It needs around 58 minutes to charge the 4000 mAh capacity of your battery. This phone comes with a huge 6000 mAh capacity of battery. So you need around 58 minutes only to charge almost 67% of your phone. It is the 30-watt hypercharge adapter. The next thing we see here is the aero case, which will keep your mobile from all the scratches, and it's a skeleton type look and some cool design inside. Let's check the phone now. This is the world first Snapdragon 855 Plus smartphone, the gaming phone. It is the world first 120Hz AMOLED HDR display. It has a monster 6000 mAh battery with hypercharge. Look how shiny it is. It has two variants. One is 256 GB and another is 512 up to 512 GB, and it has, this variant is 8 GB RAM with 256 GB ROM, whereas other version which it has is 512 GB storage with 12 GB RAM. You can see the ventilation with a copper color, the ventilation system, so that if you play for longer period also the phone does not get heat. So to protect the phone from heat, they have given an open ventilation system here. Let's try the aero case, how it fits in. On the left side bottom you can see the SIM card slot, and on the other side there are two, on the both sides you have the air triggers. When you play the games you can use this as the trigger buttons. You can set it up in the mobile, and in the bottom you can see the headphone jack, which is normally nowadays you don't find it in the mobile, and there is a C-type charging port. And you can see in the front side there are two speakers on the top and the bottom, so that when you play games also you don't cover the area, so you get the full volume for the games. And here is the, you can connect the aero cooler fan to this port. On the right side center you can see the power button as well as the volume buttons. Let's switch it on. Okay, it's ready, the setup is ready, and let's check the video quality. I'm going to play YouTube, so let's see how the video quality is on this mobile, because it has got 120 megahertz display, and it's an AMOLED screen. Let's see. Let's check the fingerprint scanner now, how it works, how fast it is. So cool. It's so much fast. Must take much time. Let's check the camera. It comes with a 48 megapixel main camera with 13 megapixel secondary camera with 1.25 degree ultra wide view and 24 megapixel front camera. It uses the Sony IMX586 flagship sensor. Let's take some photos and see how good it is. Let's take some photos and see how good the camera is. As you can see, the detail it shows the even if it is not the flagship camera phone, but still it is with this specification, it has good camera as well. You can see the detail of these photos and it is quite clear. It's not that much bad camera in this one. It has a 48 megapixel camera, so you can see the quality of the pictures here. When you are inside the game, you have the game genie. When you drag from the left side, it will pop up. So it has all the options. You can see how much is the frame rate, what is the percentage of CPU used. You can check, you can activate the air triggers from here. You can speed up your mobile. Everything can be done here, from the game genie. Let's play PES and see how it works here. Like I didn't download the commentary here, that's why you cannot. But the speakers, it is very good. You can hear the sound, hear the noise. It's really good because the speakers are facing front and you don't cover while playing the speakers. Now let's activate the air trigger. From the left hand side, drag to open the game genie, click on the air trigger. Now you can see that okay, there are two air triggers you can be used. One from the left top corner. Now you have to press, another is on the right top corner, so you can set it up. So you can choose the position here. You can switch on the on and off, enable and disable with using these buttons. Then you can you have the option what you want to do. Tap. If you want to tap or using the trigger, it can be done. You can set it up, close it. Now the air trigger is active, so you can see that when I press on the top, it shows that the button is active. Now let's fix the air cooler to the mobile and see how it works. So just I put the face scan, and also it is so much fast, I don't have to even use the fingers. See, when you activate the game mode, the X mode, so the aura RGB lighting, it flashes, it starts flashing. So I'm going to fix the air cooler to the device. Lock it. Now you see the notification that okay, the bottom, the headphone jack as well as the USB port which will be disabled, and you can use this. Now you can see the lighting when the X mode is on, the game mode is on, it flashes the beautiful aura lighting, which is similar to the mobile. The back panel mobile has the same, so when you use the air cooler it will be here. As in the front also you can see the Republic of Gamers, which is in the global version, and in the Chinese version it is Tencent Games. Similarly, the back panel light also works similar to the air cooler. It also have you can control the colors. This is the aura color. By clicking on this one you can open the Armory crate. This is the game center where you can see all your games, and you have a console where you can choose all the settings. Here you can see the different games it is installed here, and you have a console section where you can control your the lighting and settings, even the fan. As you can see, when you selected the console, you can open the game genie. You can control the air trigger, you can control the fan speed. Different settings are here, so you can easily control the settings here, and you can modify the lighting. I think four different modes are available for the lighting, which is like static lighting. You can fix one single color light, and you have breathing, you have color cycle, you have strobing. So you can choose the different lighting whichever you want. If you click on the color cycle, you can see all the different options here.